How to redeem VBuck card on your Epic Games. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can redeem VBuck card from epicgames.com. So let's get started. First step is search for Epic Games. After you search for Epic Games, just open its website up. It's store.epicgames.com and log in into your account. So after you're here, what you'll then need to do is log in and then you'll see a profile icon right here. Tap on that and head over to account. After you head over to account, on the left sidebar, you'll see different options. What you'll need to do here is head over to redeem code. Tap on redeem code and there we go. So from here you can redeem codes and other stuff. So you can redeem your gift cards as well. But if you scroll down more, you'll see an option to redeem your VBuck card. So tap on this redeem card and it will take you to this page from Fortnite. So after you're here, you can tap on redeem and you can tap on get started and you can use the code in the VBuck card and you can basically just redeem it, and it's basically that simple. Just type in the code or pin here and then tap on next. And that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.